Hey, Tech here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Today we're going to be looking at the counts starting from lows of around the November 9th. And since then we had a three-way move up into these highs of around 18.2k. Since then, again, another three-way pullback to these pretty much the same areas we had here on when the whole move started, basically. Just swing failure pattern those, and then we were up to higher. For this one, again, we have few different options. This one was the main previously, where we were looking for this as the A wave, B wave, and then looking for C wave. The C wave is starting to take place now, but again, it is kind of long in time in comparison to that A wave, so that makes it a bit less likely. What makes it even less likely is, again, the structure here for that wave B. Again, when comparing wave 1 against wave A and 2 against B is basically the same as comparing the time difference. Generally, when we want to be seeing wave 2s, we would be seeing it similar time of this wave 1. If it goes well past that, like in here, it is more common to have this as a B wave. So what fits still into this higher time frame of a C wave is some kind of diagonal, where we would have this as a ABC into 1, ABC into 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is still on the line. At the moment, we would be tracking this count where we were labeling this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So at least one more high here to be taken out. We are really close at the moment to the 1-to-1 extension of this move here, which is a very nice symmetry, as we are still looking for one more pump here. At the moment on 30 minutes we are, or even 15 minutes, we did have the divergences here inside that third of third, and the divergences here, and the divergences here. So everything is really playing out really nicely at the moment with this count. And again, we would be looking for this to be the wave 4 at the moment. The previous wave 4 here took around 16 hours. So that could be one area of time we could be looking to establish, because again, this is a higher time frame wave 4. So this is what we would be expecting basically to be used at least. So this would be later on today. And of course, if this comes down below the 0.5 retracement, then it is starting to lose its probabilities, and most likely we have counted this a bit wrong and this is done. But yeah, if we take out the previous wave 4 here, then we are in trouble with this count, and it is not that likely anymore. Then the other counts that we were looking at, very same in the smaller time frame. Again, in here we would be still looking for that one more high, and yeah, the expectation is just a bit different. Here we would be expecting this to be a three-way structure like so. However, again, wave Y not taking out the highs of wave W is not very good looking, so that's why I don't really prefer this at the moment. We had other ideas here as well, where this was a wave W of smaller time frame and not a B wave or X wave, and this would be a ABC here for that X wave. This would give us a very nice confluence with the time in comparing this wave W here for that wave X. At the moment they are already looking like they are pretty much similar size, so that is very nice nice at the moment, I do think. So this is still in play. Again, the shorts from these highs is going to be playing out into the multiple of these different higher time frame counts. So again, I'm not trying to predict the higher time frame count. I'm playing the smaller time frame, and whatever builds off of those, that is the count that is actually turning out to be. But again, when we are having multiple different counts showing the same structures, but just different higher time frame, you can be more confident on taking those trades, right? So again, same thing, one more high, again, because this is the exact same structure and smaller time frame. A variation of this would be, was this, where we had this as a WX and looking for this wave Y. This has been now invalidated completely, as we did go beyond the 1.618 retracement of this A wave here for that B wave, so we don't need to be tracking this anymore. Again, this had other issues such as the wave X being so much larger than wave W here as well, so it wasn't the primary idea in any case. But I think that is going to do it for this video of Bitcoin. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.